What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. If y'all know who I am, that means you're new. I'm Mark. What's good with y'all? Go check out my other videos, of course. Go and check them out. All right, but stay on this one as well. This one's important. So most of y'all who watch my channel, y'all are pretty experienced with guns. However, there are a good few of y'all who are inexperienced or newer. That's fine. We all had a starting point. So basically, and so I know a lot of y'all are just going to skip away from this video because it's common sense to you guys. But this is how to properly load and unload an AK-47 or an AKM or realistically any AK variant. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Actually, real quick, I do want to point this out before I even get into it. All right, this isn't like one of the, for example, the AR video, how to properly load and unload your AR-15, right? Or your AR. I can't remember which one I put, but regardless, right? I could have waited until I had gotten some 223 snap caps from Adam, who has some, right? Until this past weekend when I hung out with him. I was impatient. We're using live ammo because we have not been able to find any 7.62x39 snap caps. None. I haven't been able to find any in any stores I go to, and yes, I've been able to find them online, but damn it, they will not be here in time for me to do the video today, and I wanted to get the video done today in particular. All right, so let's go and get to it. How to properly load your AK-47. Let's get into loading. You're going to insert the magazine. Now, here's the thing. AKs are not like ARs where you can just, try pushing in the magazine. It's not going to work. It's not going to work like that. All right. They lock in two different places, right here and down here. All right. You're going to sit here and see if I can actually show you a little bit. If y'all can see the inside, I might be able to see where it locks up there, and of course, paddle, So what you're going to do is you're going to insert it at an angle, right? You got to find the right angle and press down on it. You're going to see the paddle. I don't know if y'all saw that, but you're going to see the paddle go up and back down and click it and hold it in. It's in there, all right? That's one thing I actually really like about, the AK platform over the AR platforms, that the magazine, when it's in there, that bitch is really, really in there. All right. Now, unlike the AR platform, the AK platform has a side charging handle. What are you going to do? Now that you have your magazine loaded properly, y'all can see, by the way, there's just one round in there. Really only need one round for this because unlike the AR, the bolt doesn't lock back, so that's not an issue we have to worry about. I believe with some magazines, I think it's the Yugo mags in particular, it can make the bolt stay locked on the last round. However, as soon as you take the mag out, it'll drop it anyway. So whatever, that's neither here nor there. Go ahead and pull the charging handle. What's going to happen? You could, you can release it. Don't ride it back up like I did right there. I'm just doing this just because, well, I'm not shooting. So, but round is in the chamber. I threw the safety on, obviously for safety reasons. How do I know the round is in the chamber? Well, magazine doesn't have the round anymore, so that can only mean the round is in here. So let's go ahead and insert this back in here. All right. Now this AK is, ready to go. I could point it at a target, pull the trigger. Of course, I'm in my home, so I'm not going to do that. I'm not dumb. But, all right, she's ready to go. All right. Now, how do you properly unload her? So first off, I'm saying her like, as an actual fucking person, but I love AKs, y'all. I don't know if y'all didn't know that about me. I am a huge, huge fan of the AK platform. I don't hate the AR platform, but I love the AK platform. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the magazine out of the firearm by pressing the paddle up. All right. That's going to release it. You're going to lift the magazine up and pull it out. Now, with the magazine out, you go and sit there, and as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all notice, my fingers are outside the trigger guard. They have never been in the trigger guard this entire time other than when I dry fired. And I honestly might have dry fired during the first take of this video. I'm not sure if I even did it in this one. All right. So always remember, safety first, everybody. So with that being the case, I now know, okay, safety's off, magazine's out, pull back the charging handle. And I want to point this out. Someone commented on under one of my how to properly unload and unload videos. I can't remember whether it was AR video or your pistol video. I can't remember which one. But, god damn it, I have an itch in my mustache. comment down below if y'all have mustaches and get some intense itches there. Regardless, so neither here nor there. All right. Fuck, what was I actually getting at? Oh yeah. So I remember now. So of course, the best way if you're at a range, to make sure your gun is unloaded is to pull the trigger. However, I'm not at a range. I'm nowhere where I can do that without getting in legal trouble. So I'm just going to unload it normally. How? You pull the charging handle back. Oh, wow. Nice. That's dope. Landed right in my lap. Cool. All right. Now, sometimes some people, they like to, with the AK platform because, it doesn't lock back. So I can see that. However, after the first one, if you want to do, I get the first one, you're like, okay, yeah, and, just seeing if you can, yeah. You always want to double check, make sure. You always want to visually inspect it. Sometimes with some guns, you even want to physically inspect it, not just visually. All right. So now that we know this round is out, we have an empty magazine in here. For the safety on, you don't really have to with an empty firearm, though, realistically, because even though I know, as we just saw, that it's empty, and I can dry fire safely because it is empty, all right, it's still always a good idea just to practice proper safety, y'all, all right? So let's say hypothetically, you leave your rifle around, maybe your friend who doesn't know too much about guns comes over, make sure the safety's on, maybe unload the gun if they want to try looking at it for them. Always do it yourself type shit because you never know. Accidents can happen, all right? However, y'all just learned how to properly load and unload your AK-47 or AKM or really any AK variant rifle, all right? Other than that, y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell. When you hit that bell, hit all. And because, you either are just learning how to properly load and unload your AK, or because you already knew. So both all y'all motherfuckers, go check out Adam's channel, the podcast channel. Y'all know what the deal is. I'm gonna tag both the channels in the description below. Y'all make sure to stay legal, stay safe, stay dangerous. Have a good one. Peace.